Palo Korea, as I taught you,
Uy, makinig.
Number mo siya doon.
there's a number. That's the number you need to memorize.
Yung number ko, 102.
Or take a picture. Okay, then you also have a cut
Taon ba?
that
Kasi
piece
mami
of
ko sa isang company.
white plastic
Kaya,
served
ginascadule
is
mo.
a
Ano
cutter.
gusto mo?
Okay, and we will follow the instructors. Okay, we just follow what
Ma-ultra
she is
wide.
doing. Then I will do
Parang gitna lang kasi ng
interpret.
Ultra wide.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma-picture tayo dun mamaya. Pineapple.
Okay, once again, welcome you to the most famous pineapple factory, Weibo. And remind you again, try to memorize that number on the real marks.
那现在我们就开始实习 DIY 哦。对，大家看到我们桌上有两条，一个是外那个凤梨酥的图，然后一个是凤梨酥的馅。
Gagawa tayong
它
tingin.
凤梨酥的外酥呢，我们的成分有面粉、糖、牛奶、蛋，还有植物油。然后凤梨酥的馅是凤梨酥的麦芽糖。
Okay, so now you find the stuff, as I mentioned to you, that's a dough. The dough, of course, that's made from the flour, and we also have the yolk from the egg, and the oils, such kind of ingredients. And then you get the filling, the yellow pieces, okay, and that's the filling, of course, that is ingredient from the pineapples, and then other stuffs. So now we are doing for the comments of the DIY. We have to pick up that dough first. Okay, twist it carefully as some kind of nail from your hand. Not too long, just make it a size, somewhat like a sausage.
Hindi, isa lang yun.
Okay, just make that into something like a sausage. Then they come that dough, that filling, you make the same size and the same length as the dough. Yeah. If you want to estimate the length, you may use the cutter. Yeah. Normally they recommend not longer than the cutter. Okay.
Not longer.
Yeah, when I just follow the same procedure, near that filling into the same shape as the dough is.
Gusto ko yung cake nga lang alam ko lutuin. Bakit tayo nagluluto?
Fun, huh?
Longganisa.
Enjoy it?
Longganisa
Like
lokban.
Vegan yung
we
sa
call your memory when you are in the kindergarten. We always do such kind of thing, right?
Okay, yan din. Ito.
Yeah, they also, from the screen, then you can also see how it is formed.
Okay.
Okay, next. Charing.
Yeah, so
Hindi pa tapos.
parallel on it. Better the same things because this time we are going to cut with the couple.
Pwede na ako mag-apply sa
We make
James Bay
two
siya.
cut, so
Ito yung
into
training sa
3
employer.
pieces of each. Yeah. See that?
Cutter.
Yeah. 2 cut, make into 3 pieces.
Okay.
Then better, they are equivalently
Kailangan, ay, ang pangit.
size.
O, hindi pantay.
Ay, hindi pantay.
Like a Winnie. Small Winnie. Okay, then now you pick up a piece of the dough.
Okay.
Yeah. Then use your palm, okay, and then squeeze that or take that, squeeze, press, again, then make it into like a small pancake, okay, or patty, something like a small patty. And then, okay, pick up one of the three, put in the center, then level it up by the door. Okay? Like the recipe.
Ibibilog.
Ay na, parang lumpiaan.
Level it up. Yes, you did a good job.
Okay na ba ko siomay yung nabuo ko?
Yeah, okay. And you like into
The yema.
you know,
Yema
a
balls.
ball-like shape.
Oh, ang galing. Sorry.
Yeah,
Wala.
you keep it
Kinain na din.
fine, and then when it comes out from the oven, it
Oh.
looks much better shape.
Suka ka.
This is how it's done. Charis.
Then follow the same procedure
Tapos
for the
ilalagay na sa
second
shaper.
one and the third one.
Shaver.
Ganun.
Siya shaver.
Sa shaver. May ganito na. May lamig.
Basta. Ang cute. Kailangan malaki ito na.
One,
Kasi babalutin ko.
Totoo. Balutin mo.
Isa sa akin pineta ko.
Ate, bago makakain, nagluto muna. Bet mo ba yan?
Dahil pinaghihirapan daw natin bago.
afterwards, when you go back to the Philippines, then you can be
So, kaya na
a
niya.
teacher for the kindergarten.
May video ka.
Natikman mo. Oo naman.
Sino ibang tao? Careful ka rin sa
Imumute mo yan. Ha? Hindi naman nila
Or you can open a bakery of your own. Okay?
Yes, tomorrow.
Make up another pineapple cake.
Open
Pretend they
a
are
bakery
activities.
tomorrow. I'm so inspired by this activity. Can tell my mom.
Magulat ka nila pa umuwi ng Pilipinas.
Pero ma,
Dito na
Anisa
tayo.
ma. Anisa
Baker.
Baker naman.
Ang hit.
It's really good. The same size. Yeah. And you are more creative. The different size. Correct?
Tapos, isi-shake mo. Hindi po, wala pa instruction.
Ang pangit.
Biwag ka
Bida-bida.
namang mauna.
Bilo-bilo lang.
Ang challenge talaga dito ma. I-bake muna to, saka mo isi-shake.
Gamit ang ngipin.
Oo.
Hinulman niya na. Hinulman niya na.
Okay, now you know, we pick up the rear and you can see the shape. One is the shape of Taiwan. In the
Mapicture
center,
mo ako
and the shape
managaganito.
of pineapple. Okay, and then the third one, that's the gold Inca or gold nugget. Gold Inca.
okay.
Okay, so that's all auspicious. And this, of course, that's the, Taiwan. You come to Taiwan, okay, bring you up prosperity, okay, and gold Inca give you money. That's all auspicious shapes. Yeah. Okay, your size is not equivalent to each other's because you know the Inca shape is a little bit wider, so pick up the big one into the Incas.
The big one.
Yeah, maybe you can kneel that a little bit into a oblong shape.
Ay,
It's
oblong.
easy to fix that in to the rear. Then use your palm, just take, not squeeze, squeeze, sometimes it will burst. You know, use your palm, tap, okay, then next time,
Opa.
the edge, actually you can use your fingertip, you know, to tap on that, until it's well fixed in. And then later on the shape will be pretty looking,
Yung
okay?
yung pangit ko ako.
Deserve.
Gaga.
Don't press too hard, you press too hard, burst it out.
Ino-oblong.
Wow, baker
And
ka.
when you
Nakikinig.
study better than this art, the real hand, because sometimes it will drop down.
Bawal makita yung loob.
Yeah, I think the same thing, the other two more, you know, you just, you know, near a little bit into a oblong shape, and then put it in there, Then
Ire-retoke
use
na
your
lang
arm
natin.
to bring the meat.
Oh, ang ganda niya sa akin, ma.
Ang pangit
Right
lang yun.
take that. Here.
Alam mo lahat ng
Sa kanya,
pinagsayang
pangit.
pang. Ikaw lang yung ano.
Proud.
Baker nga siya. Na may anghit. Ang cute naman ng activity na to.
Very inspiring.
Matutuwa pamangkin ko dito. Dalhin ko nga sila dito.
Bukas na.
Pasundo mo na lang ngayon. Punta na kami nandito.
Ma,
Looks like
ganyan,
everyone
oh.
doing a good
Oh.
job. Yeah.
Ay, ang ganda.
You are higher over here, okay? If you want to stay here in Taiwan, you are
Style.
higher.
You are hired here lang.
Thank you.
Ikaw ay may employer na.
Lawyer ka na.
Lawyer na.
Okay? Whenever you
Alam mo,
come, you
ang
think
hirap
you
pala
are
gumawa
well
nito.
done. Just leave it stay on the surface of the table. And then you can go to wash your hand. Okay?
Alam mo, ma, lumabas na yung increase ko.
Yeah,
Hindi nga
and
nag-1 peso.
Make sure that you
Ano,
memorize
$1.
the number
So mag-resign na ako.
on the edge
O
of
magkano? 90 cents?
50 cents.
mother. Okay?
Para,
Sa one
Whenever you
year.
come,
Yan.
So 1
then
year,
you stay
Ay, kasi
on the table,
one
then
year,
go
6
wash.
years, 6
Don't put it there.
90, di ba?
You give it up in your job.
oo.
Okay na yun.
Charing lang na magre-resign.
Yeah, and then
Eh, may bonus na malaki.
kaya nga,
Lumaki nga.
wash your hand.
hindi ka pa.
Sabi, yung pinag-usapan namin ni Serge, hindi namin magets
It just
bakit ginalaw
let
yung
it
bonus.
stay on the table.
Tapos, ay, yung
Then the assistant who are
increase.
coming here to collect.
Tapos may bonus na abot
and I
lang.
send it into the office. Okay? And while we are waiting the time, then we can go to.
Ay, I'm not yet done.
So,
Ah!
Isa
tasting
kasi ng chika.
activities. Okay? Just put it there. Come to wash your hand.
Look at my friend. Struggling with life.
Sure.
Okay, you come back.
Mine is very good, ah.
Then we go up here for our next program.
So tapos na kami mag-bake. Bye!